Let's just look out here for a minute. What is she doing? What is she doing? She's looking. He's like, let me off of this chain. So yeah, new kitty. Just go away there. So sweet. Kib. Little kibby. Are you sleeping on me? Wake up, little kib. Little kib, kib, kib. Kib, kib, kib. Kib, kib, kib. Yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading, because of this little cutie. It's so cute. I just got him like a couple of days ago. Oh, you sneezed. Smile for the camera. Don't want to put it all up in his face. So I'm just gonna like zoom in. It's a girl. It's a baby kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Tiny's still just looking at me. What do you want? Hi. Hi, Tiny. Hi, Tiny. I have lots of dogs. Yeah, it goes one. There's some over there, but you can't see them because of the porch right there. We really need to clean our windows. Look at the dog. Got 2 new hamsters, guys. 2 new hamsters, but I'm not gonna be putting them in a video yet. Not quite yet. Get up. You've been sleeping all day. Real guys, it's like, let me show you. It's 1:15 right now, and that's how long you've been sleeping. All day. What are you doing? Silly little kitty. I don't want to pick her up because you look so comfortable. Well guys, thank you for watching this LPS video. My new kitty video. She's so sweet. Watch this. She likes being petted under here, but for some reason she keeps on turning away. Well yeah, bye bye guys. See ya in the next video. What are you doing? She's nudging my phone. Bye guys. Bye.